last night from the other side of the world. I was walking you home. We were talking again, but I still don't feel right in this place. If I could jump the next flight, I'd be headed your way. Best time I had in the city, I was sleeping alone here in the sheets of this double bed. I'll be getting back into town just as you're moving out, and I'm wondering if you've ever said anything. Have you ever said anything about me to your best friend? It's been almost a year, but I still think of you on the regular. I never felt so alone, 10,000 miles from home, dreaming about you from this foreign hemisphere. Best time I had in the city, I was sleeping alone here in the sheets of this double bed. I'll be getting back into town just as you're moving out, and I'm wondering if you've ever said anything. Have you ever said anything about me to your best friend? Your best friend, your best friends, your best friends. I've tried to sleep it off, but it only gets worse. Now I'm not really sure what else I can do. Maybe I'm still dreaming, or maybe I just don't have a clue. But I've been all over the world, and I just keep coming back to you. Best time I had in the city, I was sleeping alone here in the sheets of this double bed. I'll be getting back into town just as you're moving out, and I'm thinking about the best time I had in the city. I was sleeping alone here in the sheets of this double bed. I'll be getting back into town just as you're moving out, and I'm wondering if you've ever said anything. Have you ever said anything about me to your best friends? Your best friends, your best friends, your best friends. Somewhere down the west coast, past the hills and shadows, there's a seaside town where the sun goes down in a flash of gold. I'll try to send a postcard, 'cause the long nights play in these bars began to me, and I know that we are a world apart. I've been thinking looking over, but I know you're not there. I've been everywhere but home. You know I've got a little longer to go. Seen the Eiffel Tower. Now I'm counting down the hours so I can leave these foreign streets and get back to you. Passing sea lights and you know I'm not sleeping. Driving through the night, pretty soon I'll run out of road. Keep on looking over, but I know you're not there. I've been everywhere but home. You know I've got a little longer to go. I could find you when the city eats us whole.